1. I don't want to see any more gadgets on the bed, on your hand. Brush your mouth and prepare to bed. Hi, Ma'am Evelyn Gumalal. Alam nyo guys, no, sa totoo lang, hindi ko pa rin ma-expect. Hindi ko pa rin, ganitong maisip na ganito yung nangyari. Kasi, parang parang, alam nyo, parang perfect eh. Yung simula ng pag-aasawa namin, ganun. Tapos, marami pala akong malalaman. Mga nakakatakot na mga balita, mga ganun, na hindi ko kayang i-tolerate. Madam, kailan po kayo nag-start mag-vlog? I started vlogging when I was in Thailand, guys. Way back. But I don't get audience. Nobody likes to watch me. The only people who watches my videos are my siblings. I only get like 100 views, 115 views. Nobody likes to watch me. Maybe because I was not relatable. I feel like I was too conscious with myself. I'm too conscious with my face, my hair, how I look like in the camera. And in the end, it's not showing who I really am. So I was not connecting to the viewers. I think that was the mistake there. Because when I got viral sa videos ko sa Uganda, I believe the main factor there is because I totally and was not scared to show who I really was. I was the kind of person who doesn't really care what other tells me. Like, I don't care if my hair is not fixed. I don't care if I'm not wearing makeup. I have accepted my flaws. All of my flaws. People try to mock me, they bash me, na bakit daw pinapakita ko sa camera yung mga peklat ko sa mukha. I don't care. I don't care. Bakit? Kasi I know that you can't hurt me with something I already know. You can't hurt me with something I already expect. Okay? So, tirahin mo ako something sa isang bagay na hindi ko tanggap, pero lahat yan tanggap ko. Tanggap ko na hindi perfect yung physical appearance ko, tanggap ko na hindi perfect yung pag-aasawa ko, tanggap ko na nag-fail ako sa pag-aasawa ko, tanggap ko yun lahat. Kaya hindi ako nasasaktan kahit tirahin niyo ako dyan ng kaliwat kanan. Nakaka-nostalgic Uganda vlogs with Miss Sarah Joseph, etc. Buti na lang Auntie Christine is still around. Totoo yan. Totoo yan. Actually, gusto nga namin umuwi doon, no? Pero hinahanap ko pa, nagpaplano pa ako kung paano. Kasi ayokong bumalik doon na nagugulo yung utak ko. Ayokong bumalik doon na may manggugulo sa aking peaceful na mental health. So, kung ano yung peace na ako ngayon, gusto ko ganun pa rin pagbalik namin doon. Anong relihiyon mo? Ako po, kami talaga, inborn kami, Seventh-day Adventist. Pero, you do all know na I already reverted to Islam. And I don't have any regrets. I find peace actually with Islam religion. I feel like the people I meet, no offense to other religion, I'm just talking about my experience, na natutuwa ako sa mga Muslim friends ko. Natatai daw si Mr. George. Tumae ka lang po. Walang problema. Mahina din naman ang loob ko sa ibang bagay, guys. But when something is really, yung pinoprovoke yung mental health ko, dun talaga ako nag-give up. Kasi I don't deserve that. I don't deserve anyone na nakakasira ng mental health. Joe and Aya, you are beautiful. Maraming salamat po for your positive and kind words. Ayan, time check natin guys, 7:45 p.m. I have been with you for 29 minutes. So kung meron pa po kayong tanong, it's okay guys, mag-usap-usap tayo. If you want to ask me about my views in a certain topic, I will gladly share it with you as well. So, like I said, opinion ko lang yan, no? Uy, binigyan tayo ni Ma'am Lily Di Magiba ng 13.99 Canadian dollars. Maraming salamat po. That is, wow, thank you. Maraming salamat, Madam. Thank you. You are beautiful the way you are. Maraming salamat, Ma'am Jennifer Salazar. Ayan po yung mga anak ko lahat, oh. 1, 2, 3, pamangkin ko si Ate Ashley. And then yung isa si Mayumi ay tulog. So right now, it's just 7:46. So I'm allowing them to have a good time. Bakit hindi ka nagko-cover ng hair? I do